Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of the screen like so, and then find the power saving mode, which should be located somewhere here. If you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages, and it looks like my battery saver is located on the second page right over here, as you can see. Once you see this toggle, simply tap on it. It will give you a pop-up, battery saver is on, and that's all. That's how you enable your power saving mode. And once you're done with it, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again and tapping on it once more. Now, interestingly enough, it also gives us info how long the battery will last with it being on. So right now we are supposedly gonna get about 55 hours of battery life. So pretty decent. Now, key things to keep in mind with this mode being enabled, you can see it automatically turns on dark mode. And additionally, it will probably delay notification delivery from applications that require internet connection, because it most likely will be turning Wi-Fi off when you're not using the device to preserve battery. And additional change that might happen is also just the brightness. So anyway, with this being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.